Hi, I bought a tent off eBay, so today I'm just seeing what it's like once set up, make sure there's no holes in it, and also I'm going to waterproof it today, ready for a trip out. And I'll just show you inside. That's the inside of the tent. It's got a little hook there for my new light with a mosquito killer, which I can't wait to have. It's got some little pockets there. And that's the bag that the tent comes in. This here is the fly sheet. So that's like keeps the mosquitoes and flies out. Wow, it's got a little pocket just to put that in. That's quite good to make it neat. It's really well thought out. Oh, it's already in mozzies in here flying round. I like this part. That's really good. It's nice to put your things on. And you've got the vents there, the two vents. And you can pull this down. Hopefully with my tarp, it'll extend it a little bit further. So I'm not taking any chances. And I'm going to use this Nikwax tent and gear waterproofing. And it says first to kind of wet the tent. So that's what I'm going to do. Just wet the tent with this. I don't know why. Maybe it goes on easier, I don't know. It'll be dry by the time I put the stuff on. Or maybe I should do one section at a time. As I said, it's not idiot proof. I think it might be a good idea if I just do one part at a time actually, because it will be dry. Okay, that's the first part. And gotta shake it. It says to spray evenly. Watch, it'll go all over me. Oh, there you go. Wait for the wind to stop. Oh, okay. Seams. Oh, it stinks. Oh, it's a horrible smell. Bottom. Oh, stinks. Seams. Always do seams. Oh, that smells awful. I think I've covered it. I'm not taking no chances whatsoever. Oh. Seams. Seam paranoia. Yeah, lots of seam on the seams. My tent's not going to leak. So that's the first part. It says to leave it. I think that's enough water. It says to leave it on and just wipe off any excess. Right, all the places where it could get a beating, saturate. Seams. Always do the seams good because it's smaller sections. Top seams again. So if I do the top seam and there where the guy ropes are going, whew, a wasp all the way down. As I say, I'm not getting soaked. And the top seam here, give it a good soak and just fill in between. And if this doesn't do it, nothing will, because that is a good saturation. Again, top seam. And I'm quite looking forward to going out in the tent now. I wasn't sure what this one was going to be like because I bought it second hand off eBay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just pull these forward like that, just so I can spray behind them. It's always where fabric is mostly strained that can cause the leaks. And now I'm going to do the front with the zip. As I say, I don't know why you have to spray it first. Maybe it just glides on easier. So I'm gonna do this seam underneath. I've sprayed that, the zip, where the zip is. The seam. I pick up this Nikwax literally at the end of the summer season when they sell it off cheap. I'm just gonna go over the zip in a minute. I think that's a really good coverage. I don't think I've missed anywhere. So I'm just going to put this down and I'm going to do the zip. As I just squirted the inner fabric there, it says to let it dry and then wipe off the excess. Spray evenly to outside the fabric. Avoid rucksack straps, don't know why. Wait 2 minutes, remove surplus product with a damp cloth. So that's it with the Nikwax. So that's what I've used. And now I'm going to go over it and wipe it with the damp cloth, which I've got here. That's been on a few minutes, so we'll do that side first. I think that's it. best to be sure, especially if you've bought a pre-owned tent and you don't know. People generally don't think about waterproofing, but I do know from experience in camping that the sun, if the sun's beating down on your tent for a length of time, it can actually ruin the waterproofing in the fabric. I mean, I would recommend that you do it every season, or at least before you put it away for the year. I'm quite pleased with the tent. It's the first time I've put it up. I mean, I bought it last year on eBay for £20 and I just haven't used it, but I'm going to use it, so I'm going to make sure that I'm not going to get wet. Oh gosh, this is a bit tall. Oh, can't reach. There's going to be no abandoned tent situations. And you can't really see, but it is a great possibility that it could rain. So I'm going to leave it up tonight just to see how it fares up, because it's guaranteeable to rain. It's the UK, it always rains. I've took the tarp off because the tarp has never been used, so I'm not going to waterproof the tarp, just the tent. Because I don't think the tarp needs it. It is a bit tedious waterproofing the tent, but trust me, considering you could get rained off, it's worth doing. It's got a cloth just to wipe the windows, because it is nice to see through the windows. There you go. I think that's it. I'm not going to use this cloth with anything else, because I'll already be throwing that cloth away. Let's just give the little bits a wipe, because we don't want white spots all over it. That's it, all done. And it looks like I've got a good bit of drying time before the rain starts. Yeah, it's really good. I'm really happy with that. So next time I see you, I should be out camping in this tent. Bye.